Hardness is the third properties of the metal. Most of the metals are hard and strong, exception sodium and barium. You can see that these are the iron nails. These are hard. You can see that we cannot be broken down. This is, and some of the mostly metals are hard. But exception is there, sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium is soft metal. Sodium का symbol Na और potassium का K. These are the soft metal. They can be cut with the help of knife. So these are the soft metal. One question is like that. Name two metals which can be cut with the help of the knife. That is sodium and potassium. Na and K. And non-metals which are solid are not hard as metal. They are the soft and brittle. Only they can be broken down into small pieces. Next is diamond is the hardest metal. Diamond is the hardest non-metal on the earth. A question is right that name the hardest non-metal on the earth. That is diamond. Okay, diamond is hardest non-metal on the earth. Understand? Next is number 4, sonority. Metals are sonorous. They produce ringing sound. If you can see that, I will beat it with the help of, so it will be produce the sound. So metals produce the ringing sound in bells and musical instrument also, and temple bell also, and school bell also. So these are the sonorous, and non-metals are non-sonorous. Number 5, malleability. Metals are malleable. Malleable means they can be beaten into sheets. They can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals can be beaten into thin sheets. For example, we can take this is the aluminium foil. Aluminium can be beaten into, it make the thin sheets. So this aluminium foil is used for wrapping the food items, and gold and silver also is the malleable substances which can be beaten into thin sheets. We also use the silver foil and gold foil. And non-metals are non-malleable. And next is ductility. Ductility, they can be drawn into thin wires. Metals can be drawn into wires. Metals को wires में drawn कर सकते हैं. This properties is known as ductility. You can look here. These are the copper wires. These are very thin. So metals can be drawn into thin wires. This properties is known as ductility. Gold and silver wire are used for making the jewelries, and copper and aluminium wire are used for the making wires for the conduction of electricity. Most malleable and ductile metals are gold and silver. Gold and silver is most malleable and ductile metal. question is right there. Name the most malleable and ductile metals. So gold and silver are most malleable and ductile metal. Next is conductivity. Conductivity, conduction of heat. First is conductivity में metals are good conductor of heat. You can see that in the kitchen we use the fry pan, cooker also. It is made up of utensils are made up of metals, or these are the good the heat transfer from the bottom to the other surface of the utensils. So that is the good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, and the handles is made up of insulators. Heat transfer from metals to the handles. The handles is made of the insulator. These are the non-metals. And second is metals are the good conductor of electricity. Silver is the good conductor of heat and electricity. Silver is the best conductor of the electricity. We use the wires of the copper for the transmission of the electricity, but not use the silver because silver is most expensive than the copper and aluminium. Okay, non-metals are the bad conductor of electricity and heat. They are used, जैसे for example we can see the plastic, wood is the form of the carbon. So these are the bad conductor या insulators of the heat and electricity. But exception is there, graphite. Graphite is the good conductor. This is the non-metal. Graphite, non-metal. Exception is there, good conductor of electricity. And last property is melting and boiling point. Metals are solid, you know. So metals have the high melting and boiling point, and non-metals are have the low melting and boiling point. But exception is there, sodium, potassium and mercury have the low melting point. Sodium, potassium and mercury has low melting point. This is the all physical properties of the metals and non-metals. Thank you.